Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Coli can become heat-resistant if dehydrated at lower temperatures first, so it's recommended that venison is heat-treated prior to dehydrating. Once your jerky is done, it can be stored in sealed containers at room temperature for up to 2 weeks.
Take our lead.
When raw meat or poultry is dehydrated at home, either in a warm oven or a food dehydrator, to make jerky which will be stored on the shelf, pathogenic bacteria are likely to survive the dry heat of a warm oven and especially the 130 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit of a food dehydrator.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.